So first and foremost, this video is a little bit delayed, so the clothing in this haul is probably half and half summer slash fall related. I apologize, but thank you Fashion Nova for sponsoring this video. If y'all do end up enjoying this haul, I promise y'all I got another one coming soon, so leave a like on this one, subscribe to the channel, and if you're interested in any of these pieces, they will be linked in the description. But with all that being said, let's get straight into this video. Some of these pieces I'm already wearing, like this Malcolm X tee is from Fashion Nova. I feel like it's a beautiful piece, has like this cream tone to it, almost has like a tie-dye effect on the tee. This is a size XL, so it is oversized on me, but I think it's hard. Second was the corduroy volley shorts in this baby blue color. I've honestly worn these through the summer, washed them hella times. Beautiful pair of shorts. Still gravitate toward these because it is earlier into fall, so it has been kind of hot slash cold, who knows, but I've been chilling around in these. Low-key fuck with both of these pieces. Next we got the low-rise short sleeve in this blue color. This one's clean, has like this splatter print over it, nothing too out there, which is what I was going for with this tee. Simple shirt to wear with like some Air Force Ones all white. That's what I was thinking, with some light blue denim. I think it's a fit. Let's try this on real quick. I'm honestly fucking with it, bro. I like the two-tone vibe that it has going on. Let me know what y'all thinking of this one. They had this in a couple colorways actually, but this was one of my favorite. This low-rise tee in this blue color, clean. Next we got a pair of jeans, and it is the Boston Slim denim. This is probably one of my favorite jeans from Fashion Nova. I like these shits so much that I had them when I was bigger, lost the weight, and had to get them again in my new size 32. You feel me? So I picked these up, and I even wore them already, bro. I'm gonna throw it on what I got on. Y'all gonna see the vibes. I'm telling y'all, I like the way that it has, I don't know what the fuck it is, but it makes the wash look different at the bottom because it's an all simple jean. Then the bottom has like that difference down there. For sure gonna keep wearing these shits. These are gas, bro. Tell me not. Come on, like the slim fit, I feel like it's not too tight, not too skinny. You still have some breathing room, you feel me? Like, you good out here, but these are fire, bro. Boston Slim jeans in this simple light blue color, fire. This next one is kind of an impulsive buy. This is the Euphoric long sleeve button up. I don't know where I was trying to go with this one. I'm gonna try it on. We gonna see. I feel like maybe with an all black fit, but yeah, bro, I feel like I just left the army with this bitch on. Like, let me know what y'all thinking about this one. This is the Euphoric tee. It has this butterfly on the side with some words on it. It says Euphoric on the front right there. Then it has this shit right here. Let me know what y'all think about this one in the comments. Something a little bit out of my style, but with these Fashion Nova videos, I try to dip and dabble into different things to see what I'll end up liking. But if you are interested, this is the Euphoric long sleeve. Like I said, this video was supposed to come out in summer. I'm sorry, bro. But we do got two pairs of shorts, which I'm gonna show y'all real quick. These are the Tyson zip shorts. Low-key have this zipper right here for the pockets, which is a plus. I forgot I had these all through summer. I could have been wore these my head ass, but I still could wear them around the crib, you feel me? To be cozy. That's what I love about these pieces. Clean pair of shorts, the Tyson zip shorts, if y'all looking for some chill shorts. These right here I actually wore in the summer a couple times. These are the pleasure mesh shorts. I fuck with these, bro. I wore these even with a fit. I just never posted the picture. Clean pair of shorts, has like these flowers all around it. It's almost like this off-white color with the brown flowers all throughout it. I feel like these shorts are gorgeous. Pretty heavy for basketball shorts. Obviously they got pockets right here and back pockets. Sometimes on mesh shorts you don't get. These shits go hard, bro. Next we got the large scale geometric button up. Let's see what's up with this one. This is like a silky top. This one's actually clean, you feel me? I might actually still keep this for next year. At first I'm like, bittersweet. Nah, this shit looks fire in person, bro. Hey, it's looking kind of clean with some light blue jeans just like these. This right here, and then I got these Pradas, like the sock ones. I feel like it's a fit for a nice little date, you feel me? But right now, I don't know. So I'm gonna have to hold this one on for when it gets a little warmer out. I think this wouldn't be out of style. It's black and white, got some stripes on it. Put a little chain on, nice little watch on, and take it to go, bro. Take it to go, for real. This was the large scale geometric short sleeve. Right here we got the Countdown Distressed skinny jeans. Let's take these out. These once again are on the simple side. I love when denim have this color right here. It's kind of my favorite. These are size 32 once again. So basically with the jeans, I like the wash on the Boston Slim jeans, but the fit on these is way better simply because they do have a little more stretchiness to them, which is bittersweet because with the Boston Slim jean, you get more like a thicker rustic material, which sometimes for jeans, that's what you're going for. But with these, it's like a more flexible skinny pants. Let me know if y'all feeling these in the comments. I feel like the other ones are more for me, but I would still wear these, bro, with like some boots or something. I feel like it's clean for the winter time. These are clean, bro. They get a pass from me. Let me know if y'all fucking with the Countdown Distressed jeans. Next, we got the Empty Promises short sleeve tee. This is a size XL. I don't know if the camera's picking it up, but it's not a black or like a navy or nothing like that. It's a dark ass green, and honestly, it's probably my favorite color tee that I own. It's like a green black. I feel like I'm gonna try to find a color like this for my brand. I don't know if there's anybody that makes something like this, but I love the way that the colors are popping off of it. Even with a lighter tone of pink, I feel like this would have been clean. It says Empty Promises on it. I love the way that the pink is popping off this green. Honestly, the color of this tee in itself is what got me like the blank. This is hard. It's not an overwash gray, none of that other shit. It's a new tone of shirt that I haven't seen before. So shout out to Fashion Nova on that side of things, especially it being green for the fall time. You compare this with like a tan, a cream. Shit. Right here we got the innovative cargo pants. These are in a size medium. I've actually had these before, but they were so fire I had to get them again in my size again. These have like this inset pocket right here. It doesn't even have a closure to it. It's literally just a big ass pocket on the front, on both sides, back pocket right there. These are a little bit on the thinner side for winter, but in the fall you could definitely still pull these off. They also do have the toggle at the bottom, which I am a fan of. Once again, bro, they never lie. These shits go hard, bro. Like, I can't explain it. They just feel smooth when I wear them, you feel me? They feel like I could jump around, move around. It's not an issue. And then the color on these, like the sage-ish wash to it, I can't complain, bro. It doesn't look like they're cargos, but they're most definitely cargos, just how I like it. Let me know how y'all feeling about these innovative cargo pants. Bro, even this fit right here is kind of hard. Let me know. Let me know. Next is this classic sweater hoodie, size medium. I saw this one. I'm like, yo, this looks kind of interesting. Let's see what's up. This one does look a little bit big for being a size medium. This one is a little big, bro. I'm not gonna lie, but it's a knitted sweater. You feel me? Nothing too different. Mind you, this is a size medium. So if y'all gonna cop this size down, I normally go large on sweaters. This time I'm like, yo, let me go medium because some of them have been big on me. But with this one, you gotta get a small or shrink it. I think this is a clean sweater. Once it shrinks a little bit from the dryer, I might be able to pull off some fits with it. But for now, I'm looking like I'm straight off Assassin's Creed with this bitch on. Let me know in the comments if this is the one you fucking with or not. Last up, we got the High Rollers. This is the High Rollers corduroy pants. These are actually clean, bro. It's like this washed, muted navy blue, dolphin blue looking ass color. I'm fucking with these. It has these dice going throughout it to give it a little bit of texture. Corduroy pants are just clean in general. These are also embroidered on there, which all of these are embroidered on there. The attention to details on these, A1 steak sauce, double back pockets. These are looking decent. Yo, I'm not gonna lie, these High Rollers fit kind of sexy, bro. It feels like some lounge ass pants, some flow in the wind ass pants. Like, I'm fucking with these. If I find some more style pants like this for the next haul, y'all probably gonna be seeing it, because these shits, bro, these bitches is going, bro, fire. Like, I need me some more pants in this format, bro. Like the soft corduroy type beat. Yeah, I think I'm converted into corduroys, bro. I need me some more for sure. If y'all enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like on it down below. Subscribe to the channel if you're new and would enjoy more of this type of content. And don't forget to check out Fashion Nova if you're interested in any of these pieces. Once again, shout out to Fashion Nova for sponsoring this video. But all that being said, I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.